Hi, I'm Matthew, and this is Induction Hardware. This model right here is the 48-inch black stainless steel induction range. It has two ovens and a 48-inch induction range top. In this video, I'll be going over all the features of this oven and what makes it so special. For all of the induction ranges of Induction Hardware, they all have the exact same features, except for the sizing. We'll have different ovens and number of burners on top. So the 48-inch has two ovens. The 36-inch and 30-inch models both have one oven. And one thing that's really neat about these ovens, before we get into all of the features that they allow you to do, is the racks. Kind of a safety feature is the ball bearing racks that come out all the way. They fully extend out of the oven. So each oven will have two racks that do that, which is really nice, especially when you're working with either a sheet of pastries or a casserole or pizza in the Pro Pizza oven. Now, getting into the features, there is a Pro Pizza setting, which has several different settings in there. So you could do wood-fired, which can start out at 660 degrees. It takes about 20 minutes to preheat. Most ovens don't even go beyond 500 degrees to self-clean. This was designed to go to 660 degrees for heating up, basically cooking pizza in a couple minutes. It comes with a pizza stone. You can either use if you have the 48-inch range, you can either use the bigger oven or the smaller oven. It takes about 20 minutes to preheat, the same as the 36-inch and 30-inch ovens. About 20 minutes to preheat, and then you're flying. What makes this really special as well is the touchscreen here. You can see lots of different options in here. You can do baked goods. It's really curated for a lot of different options. You have your basic broil, bake, convection broil, convection bake. But if we go down, there's also an air fryer mode in here, which kind of utilizes the convection fans along with the other heating elements to kind of create an air fryer. So really neat that they had basically designed and planned to have air fryer in here as well as the Pro Pizza. So you have some really cool functions with that as far as heating goes and cooking different types of meals. Going beyond the Pro Pizza and the air fryer, there's also some special features. Now there's dehydration mode, which is super cool. You can make basically beef jerky or most things you can dehydrate in here, which is phenomenal. I'm a big fan of that. There's also a proof and warming mode. There are built-in lights, which are designed to really last forever, especially given the range of heat that these can output. Stay-put hinges and really heavy-duty doors, which makes it really nice to work with. Now, the knobs are another really cool feature. What's really neat about the knobs here is really the haptic feedback. So it clicks with each turn, and the settings for the burner are on there. So really, really nice to use, heavy-duty stainless steel knobs, which feel very sturdy. Plus they light up, and there's a nice diagram here to kind of show you which burner goes where. Super high output for an induction. So I don't have, obviously there is no pot on here, but I could turn the burner on and put my hand on it, and there will never be any heat on here. It also won't turn on right now, just because there's no pot on here. So with induction stoves, they use electromagnetic fields with the copper coils to basically heat up the cookware. That's why you have to use magnetic cookware on an induction stove. But it's the most efficient way to cook. It utilizes almost 95% of the energy you're paying for, compared to gas, where it's using radiant heat, and gas, where you have carbon monoxide from the gas as well. About 50 to 60% of that power is actually being utilized in the cookware because it uses radiant heat, whereas induction technology uses direct heat for it.